Hey viewers, I'm making this video for a friend of mine. She had a flat tire on her bike. She flipped the bike over to fix the tire, and then at some point the cable came out of the cable stop and she couldn't figure out how to fix it. So she ended up taking it to a bike shop and they fixed it for her. But I'm going to show you how to fix that. It's pretty simple. So the first thing you want to do is shift the cable down into the smallest cog, and that's generally by pressing the front smaller trigger, and if you have a grip shift, just go ahead and turn it till you get the most cable slack. Okay, I have this bike up on a bike repair stand, but you don't need one. You can have a friend hold the bike up for you, or you could try to hold it up yourself while you're doing this. It's just kind of awkward, but you can do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push this derailleur in while I'm pedaling and get it to shift up into the biggest cog. While I'm continuing to hold this derailleur in, I should have plenty of slack in the cable to slide it into the cable stop. And make sure it's fully seated. And then go ahead and pedal. And done. It's that simple. Hope you found this video useful or interesting. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button down there. Be sure to click the bell so you get notifications when new videos come out. I'm over on Facebook. I post stuff over there occasionally, and you can go ahead and like that page. Anyway, thank you guys very much for watching.